In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of LED strip lights. I'll check these things out, everybody. And let's just kind of like go over some of the specs on these. The rated power is 12 watts. Input adapter is a 110. It's basically you got a plug-in 110 outlet. And the length on these are 16.4 feet. The LEDs is 300 units of LEDs. The end strip, yeah, is 12 watt. Let's just open them up and let me show you what they look like here. You get a power adapter with adjustment on it, so check that out. You can turn them up and down, and I will show you that working. Some little, like, looks like double-sided tape and some screw-in type things right there. And here's the actual unit itself and a little set of instructions. And going over the instructions, I don't think it has like lumas and all that on it. The color temperature is 3000K to 6000K. And it kind of gives you some ideas on how to install it. But you know what? It's basically an LED strip. There's not much to it. Let me go ahead and show you what this thing looks like. Okay, now that it's plugged in, let's turn them on and see what they look like. All you do, yeah, it's just a line like that. Wow, these are very bright. Look how bright those things are. I am going to install these in my van and run them along the top. And I think that's where I'm going to put them because I do have a power outlet in the van that I could use these for. And you can stream them with more using these right here. And yeah, you just peel that off back here, I think, and they just go into place. So yeah, this is something I recommend for anybody that just needs a good set of LED lights, light strips like this that you want to put, like, say, like me, I'm going to run them throughout my van and around that area, or if you got like around your TV or around any type of appliances or something like that. These are one of the brightest LED lights I have ever seen. I've had a lot of, and I like being able to adjust them like that, just turn them up and down. That's really cool. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LED strip. Check them out. See y'all in the next video.